Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Apple AirTag. Are you tired of losing track of your essentials? Well, say goodbye to those frustrating moments with the Apple AirTag, the ultimate solution for keeping tabs on your belongings. AirTag uses advanced technology to provide pinpoint accuracy in locating your items. Whether it's your keys, your wallet, your luggage, your bag, or even your pet, AirTag ensures you always know where they are. Simply remove the plastic tab from your AirTag to activate the battery. You can also choose to name and assign an emoji to your AirTag if you wish. You can also use the Find My app to track your items with a simple tap and receive real-time updates in the event that one of your items are lost. With a replaceable battery that lasts over a year, AirTag is always ready to help you find your misplaced items. The battery replacement process is simple and hassle-free. Don't let lost items disrupt your day. Invest in peace of mind with the Apple AirTag. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.